if you don't
I don't
laugh.
need your practical jokes to make my world better.
Okay.
I just spent a week on a beach.
Sick, bro. Well, did you laugh at all?
I had plenty of laughs.
Heck yeah.
No, I'm not giving you a high five.
Oh, man.
How about a low five?
No.
Oh man, we are back again because the video got taken down again, presumably by the guy that we pranked the crap out of. But before that, I hurt myself. But that's okay because the 5 million subscriber video goes up tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern time. And I don't think I've ever been more excited for a video. Now I know what you're thinking. How can a YouTube video get taken down? To be honest, I have no idea. Because I don't care to take anyone's video down. Because I have a sense of humor. This video was taken down not once, but twice. Once directly because the guy who was in the video went through the process to get it taken down. So I blurred his face and boom, put it straight back up on YouTube. Apparently what happened the second time is he went through the process to have the video taken down again 6 months after it was uploaded. But I was out of town, so I didn't get the email or notification to repeal the decision of the video being taken down, and it got taken down. So again, that sneaky cuck got us. But whatever, it doesn't really do anything to us or hurt our channel at all. The video just pretty much disappears. It's more of a slight annoyance, like, you know, when you have an itch or you just gotta pee really bad. All I really have to do is sit here and film another intro and upload it to YouTube again. So to the man who has had our video taken down, all I have to say to you is give you $1,000 if you let us upload it unblurred. All you have to do is upload a selfie mentioning me on Twitter stating, I'm that cuck that keeps taking down your video. I'm sorry, and I will immediately PayPal you $1,000. Your move.
Also, this video had like 100,000 likes before it got deleted, so if you want to like the video, then thank you. I will tell Bigfoot. Alright, so we are on our way home from Mexico currently in the airport. We flew from Cabo San Lucas, Mexico to to Houston, Texas, which is where we currently are. And we have a 4-hour layover, so we are going to put these electrical socket stickers all over this food court and watch people try to charge their phones because we have 4 hours to kill time. Doing over here, bro?
Mayhem at its finest. Drop-up placement, key.
That guy just ripped it off. You should go put another one on. Hey, nice meeting you, dude. So good, dude. So good.
I guess there's an Asian guy right here trying so hard, and then this guy just walks up and he's just like, let's just jamming it, and I'm like, dude, like, for a second I thought I was going in because like, it's just pushing so hard. I was like, what?
Somebody just do it again?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, damn it. We're so terrible. We're horrible. This guy's cracking up. I'm waiting for somebody to yell at us somewhere, dude. It's like, you fucking asshole.
Dude, I'll cry.
Is that guy mad?
Yeah, he looks like shit.
Some people just get butthurt. I'm waiting to get broed. Did he? Go put it back. Put another one there. Just go. Oh, he's taking them all off, dude. He's so buttered.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Go ask him why he's so buttered. How can you get mad over that? Yes. What's the lowdown? What do you say?
He said it was such a douchebag move, and I was like, dude, well, maybe you can forget about it later and have a good day. And he's like, probably not. And I was like, well, it's all up to you, bro. Whatever.
Dude, anybody who gets buttered over that needs to just take a step back. He starts taking them all down, and Stickbug just goes and starts putting them back up as he's taking them off. Oh my god. That was classic, dude. That was classic. People can't take this as a joke. They need to lighten up.
Don't be mad. It's all good.
Oh, if it's going on YouTube,
Yeah,
and
man,
I see it. No, you do not.
it's
use
all
my,
about-
Do
it's
not
all-
use my face or my likeness in your videos.
all right.
You are
no
not
worries.
allowed.
No worries. Just
I
have
do not
fun and
agree.
laugh, bro. It's all about having a good laugh in life. If you're not laughing, life's pretty.
Dude, I have a good
Pretty
time
bland.
without having practical jokes pull on me, man.
Oh, dude, come on now, though. Really?
Yeah, really.
Is it really that big of a deal?
It's just a douchebag. It's a low class douchebag move.
Oh man, calling somebody a low-class douchebag, I think is as low as it gets, though.
I'm just calling it how I see it.
I'm just saying, if
I'm
you
just
don't,
calling it how I see it.
I'm just saying the golden rule in life is, if you don't have anything
Dude,
nice to say, you
that's-
shouldn't say anything at all.
No,
Or
the golden rule in life is to do good, do good to others.
I would
True.
love to be pranked like that.
dude, that's like the funniest thing in the world. It could be like way worse.
I really don't care. I really don't care about your flex, though.
Oh yeah, I was just trying to
No
make small
worries.
talk with you and.
We're just trying to like break the barrier of like, don't take everything too serious in life. Like sometimes you gotta like laugh, dude. Because if you don't have a sense of humor, then it's like,
I have a-
bro, it's bland ass world out there. If you don't,
I don't
laugh.
need your practical jokes to make my world better.
Okay.
I just spent a week on a beach.
Sick, bro. Well, did you laugh at all?
I had plenty of laughs.
Heck yeah.
No, I'm not giving you a high five.
Oh man.
How about a low five?
No.
'Cause it was a low
Don't be so
move.
sour, man. Just love
Get
life.
the out of my face.
All right. Have a great day.
Yeah, man.
I'm still gonna send it.